Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Acacia Properties House Tour. For today's video, we're here in Vermira, Lipa, Barangay Talisay, Lipa City. And ang featured property natin is this Mireo single attached unit. But before we start, please click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. This is Abby Federico, your property host. For our Mireo single attached unit, yung available na lot size or minimum lot area as of now is 99 square meters. And then for the floor area is 87.81 square meters. So this is a single attached unit and tingnan nyo naman yung facade natin, very modern. Dito tayo. This will serve as your carport area. Kita nyo naman, kayang mag-fit dito ang iyong SUV. And alam nyo ba, ang isa sa maganda sa property na to dito sa Vermira, Lipa, aside sa napaka-strategic ng location niya kasi napakalapit lang nito sa mga bypass roads and few minutes away lang din ito from by exit, malapit lang din ito sa Mount Malarayat Golf and Country Club. And ang isa pa is meron itong EDGE certification, meaning is sustainable talaga or meron talaga itong sustainable community. Dito tayo. Ayan, ito yung ating service area. So, malaki pa rin yung space natin dito. So, pwedeng dito yung iyong extended kitchen. O kaya naman, kung gusto mong maglagay ng laundry area mo dito sa labas. Tara naman sa loob. Dito sa porch area natin, so naka non-skid tiles tayo dito and medyo may cover tayo sa area na yan. And pasok tayo. Naka-steel door tayo dito. Ito yung mga nausong doors ngayon. May mga fireproof door. And dito, sa area na to, pwedeng dito mo ilagay yung iyong living or receiving area. And by the way guys ha, ito yung actual unit turnover. So yung tiles na ginamit dito is 60 by 60 homogeneous tiles. Dito sa area na to, meron ka ditong space. Pwede mo as your storage area. Ayan siya. And ang isa sa maganda sa property na to is marami itong bintana for proper ventilation. Dito naman tayo. Dito sa area na to, yan, pwedeng dito ka maglagay na iyong dining area. So may bintana tayo dito, sliding window tayo dyan. Yan. Yung ating sliding window. And ang maganda dito is, dito pa rin yung ating kitchen. Yung kitchen area natin, meron tayong overhead and also yung ating base cabinet. And itong door na to, ito yung door going to our service area or back door. Made of steel pa rin siya or steel door pa rin. And pakita ko ulit siya sa inyo. Yan, para makita niyo yung kabilang side. Ito yung ating service area. So pwede kang maglagay dito ng iyong extended kitchen. May mga outlets tayo dyan. And also meron tayo dito na sink. And ito yung ating utility area, di ba? Okay itong utility area natin. Kung gusto mo, pwede kang maglagay dito ng iyong laundry area dito sa area na to. Kung ikaw naman ay naka-automatic washing machine, yung front load or top load. Ayan siya. And itong nasa likod ko, ito yung ating provision for our solar panel. Kasi included sa package yung ating 1.8 kilowatt type na solar panel. Ito yung ating common toilet and bath dito sa ground floor. So sa wet area natin is mataas naman yung naka-tiles natin. Yung tiles na ginamit dito is ceramic tiles, mga non-slip na ceramic tiles or matte finish. So meron tayo ditong shower area. Ito yung ating water closet and also yung ating lavatory. And before we proceed with our second floor, i-recap ko lang, this is Mireo single attached dito sa Vermira, Barangay Talisay, Lipa City. Yung available na lot size as of now is 99 square meters and then for the floor area is 87.81. Meron tayong one carport area, service area, living area natin, meron tayong storage area sa ilalim ng stairs natin. Dining area, kitchen, may utility room tayo and toilet and bath. Tara naman sa second floor. Welcome naman sa ating second floor. Kung napanood nyo nga pala yung previous upload namin, so si Mira model yon, single detached, nasa Vermeer lang din sila, isang village lang. Ayan, para at least may options kayo sa mga models dito sa Vermeer pa. Yung steps na ginamit natin, banggitin ko na made of solid wood, and meron tayo ditong metal railings. Dito tayo. Ito yung ating bedroom number 1. Malaki naman yung space natin. Kaya dito kahit queen size or double size bed. And yung flooring na ginamit dito is vinyl planks. Dito tayo. Ayan. So malaki yung room na to. So pwedeng ito yung iyong master's bedroom or this will serve as your master's bedroom. Malaki yung space natin. And meron tayo ditong mga corner windows for proper ventilation and also for natural lighting. Dito tayo. And this is our last bedroom. Ayan, kita nyo naman malalaki yung space natin. May mga bintana. Ayan. Kaya kung ang gusto nyo talaga is yung property na malalaki yung size ng rooms, very accessible yung location, maganda ang amenities. So perfect na perfect itong si Vermeer pa. And speaking of amenities, complete amenities dito, meron tayong swimming pool, multi-purpose court, jogging pads, meron tayong clubhouse, and marami tayo dito mga open spaces. Kasi pinopromote talaga nila dito yung ating greeneries. Ayan, mas maganda kasi yun eh. Dito tayo. So bago tayo mag-CR or pumunta sa CR natin, may space ka pa dito. Ayan, so ikaw kung anong lalagay mo dyan, either mga cabinets. Ayan, dito tayo. And this is your common toilet and bath dito sa second floor. Yung size nito is medyo mas malaki lang siya doon sa ground floor, but still complete set of fixtures pa rin. Like yung ating shower area, lavatory, water closet, and meron pa rin tayo dong window or awning. So that's it for our Mireo single attached unit dito sa Vermeer Lipa. Kung interested ka, nandiyan sa description box yung full details at ang aming contact numbers. Thank you for watching!